Hey guys, this is Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we're looking at a cool new accessory from Traxxas, and that is the aluminum car stand. This is $39.99. It's available now. It's available for 1/10 and 1/8, which is this one, and then you have the ones for the 1/5 scale that are sold separately. This is definitely a stand that stands out from the other stands that we have, and there really is no reason to buy any other brand, and I'll explain why. So the first thing they do, which no other company really thought of, is the rubber feet and then the rubber pieces over here, and that basically lets the stand get a nice grip on the surface it's on, and it actually grabs the car. The other thing is that a lot of other stands don't even have is the dual ball bearing rotational support, and that makes it very smooth and really bind free. Really like that feature. And obviously this is the biggest feature, is the locking mechanism. And what that is for is that when you're working on the car, you have 16 different positions you could lock it in. You just basically click it in, it clicks in, it really locks it, and it holds your position. So if you're basically cranking on a car, taking off a wheel, or just working on a part that has a lot of force, it just keeps the car in the position that you want. And then when you're ready for the next part of the car, you release it, turn it, and then basically lock it again. Very nice. It's also a good stand to keep your car on if you want to avoid flat spots. You're putting a car, storing it for the winter, you store it on one of these, and basically it's going to avoid, having flat spots. So overall, a really nice product, very simple product, very well thought out product, one of the best stands on the market. And I actually use one myself, and I use it in the videos quite often, as you guys see in the background. But this is available now. Check them out on our website. We'll put the link below. And we thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one, and have a great day.